हेलो एवरीवन। आज हमारा लेक्चर 13 है जिसमें हम लोग केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ईथर्स के बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस टॉपिक्स। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टार्ट दिस वन एंड दिस वन। Lewis acid. What is the Lewis acid? Most of the students are not understand the Lewis acid. So let us tell about Lewis acid. Electrons pair acceptors, electrophiles, metal cations, electrons poor pi systems, Lewis base, electron pair donor, nucleophile, ligand, electron rich pi system. Just like NH2 is base acid, so this one is given pair of electron is given to the acid, the formation of NH4. That this is the acid base, this is a Lewis base, this is a Lewis acid. To start with these topics. In generally, ethers are much less reactive as the cleavage of the carbon-oxygen bond does not occur radically. Thus, it is not a stable of CC bond. Thus, it is a show some cleavage reactions. Either ether soluble complex with some of the Lewis acids. They dissolve in variety of organic compound and they are unreactive under the various reaction condition. This property make ether useful solvent for the organic solvent. Ether are less reactive because CO bond does not exist radically. Most of all not exist. That's why ether are less reactive. Unsoluble condition, most of the soluble in organic organic solvent. First reaction with acid. Ethers react with Lewis acid and to form the coordinate complex. This one is ether is a react with Lewis acid, then formation of coordinate compound. Ethers have the basics characters. This basics character of ether is due to the presence of lone pair of electron. sp3 are orbitals of oxygen atoms. They also form the salt and protonic acid. Why ether is a basics character? Because oxygen have a lone pairs and given to the others. That's why ether is a basics characters. This one the ethers. This is the this is the nucleophile. This is the electrophile, and this given to this formation. This complex ethers is a more susceptible to nucleophile attack at the alpha carbon. Atoms are attacked by the base of beta hydrogen, leading to the cleavage of the original CO bond. Those essential requirement for reagent to cleavage. Others cleavage ethers are an acid to form complex with the ether's oxygens provide a electrophile assist to the CO bond breaking and a nucleophile or a base that is affecting under the acidic conditions. This one is ethers given to the H plus ion. This is the electrophile's nature so again, and that's why attack to the SN2 reaction according to SN2 backside attacks, then formation of alkyl halide and the alcohol. Concentrated hydrofluoric acids, which is strongly acidic solutions containing powerful nucleophiles minus I is probably most of the effective reagent for the cleavage of ether in the aqua solution. Minus I is the most effective reagent for cleavage of ethers का bond click करने के लिए. Cleavage of CO bonds is the example of SN2 reaction. However, when the ethers is unsymmetrical and one of the alkyl groups territory, the reaction produced by SN1. Alkyl halide is always tertiary alkyl halide. When you alkyl halide connect with one side of the oxygen, then you go which type of reaction? SN1 reaction. First of all, giving to the electrophile, then you connect this one because a nucleophile है. Then this one formation of carbocation, then slow reaction, rate of reaction is low. Then a formation this is not more stable. Carbocation is more stable. There more alkyl groups are attached. Then this position is more stable carbocation and the formation of alkyl territory alkyl halide. Apart from these two reagents BF3 or HI, there are the numbers of other reagents used for cleavage of ethers linkage. Most of the reagents have a halide ion as the nucleophile. The reagents are thiochlorides, phosphoric chloride, dimethyl bromide. In this chapters, reactions with acid because according to syllabus only the reaction with acid. Next chapters हम लोग Let us talk about the part 2 of the chemical properties. So thank you. Why?